Hi everyone, I want to show you how to go about navigating Schoology for my specific course. So if you would pick your course, so you're going to find which hour you have me. It's going to show up 6th hour math, 7th math, Mrs. Lamb, whatever it is. I'm just going to pick one of these. And at the top of the page you see that I have a banner, Welcome to Mrs. Lamb's math class. Okay, there's a link on each of these buttons. So if you need to look at a how-to video for how to use Google Meet, you would click here and find that. If you would like to go to IXL, I gave an IXL assignment, you can go to the website by clicking this button. If you want to look at our online textbook, or maybe there's an applet in there we're going to use, you can click here to go to the online textbook. To check your grades in PowerSchool, you would go here. This is the late work submission form. So if you have something that you didn't complete on time, there was a 0 in the grade book and you went back and completed that, you need to fill this out and let me know. Mrs. Lamb, I did that work. This is the assignment I've turned in. And then the last one is a button for our Team 7 Silver homework page, so you can go there as well and see what is due, what's coming up. So when you get to this website, the first thing I have listed are the Google Meet codes. So they're the same. For each hour, you just put your hour in at the end. So whatever hour you have me is when you would go there. And each day we will meet at the beginning of your hour except on Wednesdays. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, we'll do a short meeting at the beginning of the hour and then I'll give you time to go work after that. So I'm going to have your work in folders for each day. So this one you can see is labeled for the first day, Tuesday, September 8th, 2020. You're going to click on that. And the first thing in it is the agenda for today. So if I click on the agenda, it will tell me what it is we're going to do. So if you didn't attend my meeting, then you're going to need to watch the Introduction to Mrs. Lamb video. You're also going to want to watch how to navigate the Schoology video. An introduction video from Math About Me assignment, and then you do the assignment. So you have 3 videos to watch, and then you have an assignment for today. So you can, from here, click next, or you could go back. And next is my Introduction to Mrs. Lamb video. So you can click on that right there, and it would start the video for you. Okay, so I'm going to go back out of that. And then I can hit next again. And it's the how to complete Math About Me assignment. Again, this is a video telling you how you would go about doing that assignment. And if you click next again, you see that you have the assignment. So when it's due, Tuesday, September 15th, that is not when it is due. That is the last day in Schoology. Your Schoology dates will not match the dates that I give you to have something done. So that's just when the window will close. After that window closes, you can't even go back and redo them. But try to keep up with the date I give you. Most things will be due the next day. This assignment, Math About Me, is due on Thursday. And it says that up in my agenda. So you'll want to complete that. Okay, it tells you what to do. Here's the copy of your assignment. And if you go down here, there's an example that I have done to show you. So I'm going to show you here. You download it, open it. And then this is the blank copy. Right below that is the one that I did that describes me. So you can look at that at your own time and see what it is we're doing today. So those are all the things that we're going to do today. Now, coming back to that same page, for Wednesday, there will be another post listed below this that says Wednesday, September 9th, 2020. And you will click on that for Wednesday's work.